Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Katie, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
Okay, so it's December 1st. It's the first day of Vlogmas. I'm going to attempt to do this, y'all. Bear with me. First things first, I'm going to get myself together. I'm getting ready to brush my teeth and take my son, AJ, to speech therapy, come home and work, do some decorating with my baby, comb my baby's hair, wrap a few presents.
Why you take your shoe off?
At the moment, we just got.
Who's ready to have a great day?
No.
Yes, you are, my pretty.
I hate
School is so good. Ashton, why you take that shoe off, bruh?
Not fun.
It's not?
It's not.
All right, we're going to have a great day.
So first of all, y'all know I never know where to fucking look when I am vlogging with my damn phone. So I am currently sitting outside of AJ's therapy. And I was thinking, while I'm just sitting here, I might as well do a little story time with you guys. So, fun fact, I'm in my dad's little, like, his second car that he just has around that he never uses because it's super small. Because my husband was backing my car, broken now, the ghetto. My husband was backing my car into the garage and like fucking scraped all along the side of the garage on the driver's side. So all the doors on that side of the van are fucked up. The window is cracked in. So I'm waiting for Geico to come give me an estimate to hopefully get it fixed. But like, y'all, the stress. And then he comes in the house and said, oh my gosh, I broke the glass. So my ass, I go and I make a glass claim. This is like Sunday. Today's Tuesday, y'all. Wednesday. Today is December 1st, whatever. So he comes inside like, oh my gosh, I broke the glass on the car. Okay, so I didn't get up and look. I just go online to Geico and make a glass claim because he said he broke the glass. I go outside the next morning, my whole car is fucked up. All on the doors is beating, this ding, this dang, this everything. It's like beat up. And he didn't say nothing about it. So then I'm like, okay, Geico's gonna think I'm doing fraud because yesterday I made a glass claim. Now today I'm trying to make a whole last claim to get all of this stuff fixed. I'm like, am I gonna go to jail? Is this fraud? What's going on? But they were actually pretty cool about it. But I just thought I would tell y'all that just to update on life.
How did it go, AJ?
Very good. Very good. I didn't realize I have seen him before.
You have?
Yeah.
I didn't realize that either.
Carolyn and I are like around the corner from each other. So I
AJ.
passed by when he was there. I recognized him. I didn't realize. But he did really, really good. He sat so beautifully for me. We played with cars. It was a really nice first session. I think he sat well.
I like.
Okay, ladies and gents. So y'all see me? Y'all see my shadow? Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. Okay, so I just came to the conclusion that y'all have not seen the new house since we moved. So this is the front. I'm not going, well, this is kind of the front. I'm not going to show y'all all of it because, you know, I don't want y'all coming and kill me or whatever. There got some cars, there's a driveway, okay. But I thought I'd give y'all like a little mini tour before we do the real tour. Y'all, I'm not finished Christmas decorating. We're going to get into that later today, okay? Look, I only ordered one of these. It looks so ghetto. I should have ordered like 2 big ones or something. Anyway, I digress. So, this is the front, y'all. This chandelier is hideous. If you know of a place where I could get a huge like farmhouse chandelier at a reasonable price, that would be amazing. But here, we're going to turn right into the dining room. Another hideous chandelier. I really like the space of this house, but like some of the fixtures, it was built in 1979, so be patient. So I just started decorating. Ooh, kill 'em. I really love the linen. Let me zoom out. Ooh, I don't know what I'm doing. I really love like linen curtains. So that's the vibe. I got these 3 chairs at a yard sale for $5, but obviously I need to have them reupholstered because ew. Just some cute little stuff. I got to use a nail gun making this wall, which I was super hyped about. I am gonna put like a wreath right there, like a little wreath to keep there all year. A W for our last name. I have this little piece here. I'm not sure about this wall. This clock on this wall. Y'all, leave some comments down below. About what else I should put there. Maybe some family photos or whatever. I don't know. could have went in a circle, but I decided not to. I put this here just randomly. Y'all, I need decorating ideas. Okay, boom, boom. We're not gonna do upstairs because I got the kids, sis, and I need to clean up. There's a little door hanger. Wall tree, that's what it's called, not a door hanger. I be telling my kids, go put that on the door hanger. Y'all, it's dark in here. There's no overhead lighting. I'm looking to install pot lights, or do you guys think I should do a chandelier instead? The same linen curtain is carried through in here. My alarm, y'all. Don't become trying to rob me. Love this little gather sign. Got it from Home Depot. Got this little table situation. Here's my tree that me and Lola are gonna finish later. That's the stuff that you can put on. How do y'all love my little, what are these called? Table pins, little wall that I'm working on. I'm trying to decide if I should get the little pins that like glow. But this is the vibe for this room. For now, I'm open to decorating ideas. Yo, this is gonna go. This mirrored coffee table is gonna go. Okay, don't judge me. I know I'm living in 1983. Okay, so go this way. Look, my son AJ was throwing those little bean bags from the top up there, y'all. Oh, I got this from a yard sale too for $3. I just love this. Let me back up. From a yard sale too for $3. Love this. I'm gonna put little pictures of my kids because it's like a bird nest. It's 5 slots and it's 5 of us. Oh, I gotta put a picture of each of us. Didn't even think about that. Here is the kitchen. Lots I want to do in this kitchen. Lots. Like, who does that? Who puts that shit in the middle of hardwood? I don't know. The people who lived here before us, y'all. My home is lived in, so don't be expecting that to look perfect. Okay, here's the kitchen. Boom. This hideous. I need to get like a regular range over the stove. Love my coffee, y'all know. Who want to come wash my dishes for $10? Some random cleaning supplies, a soda from my husband, and some ranch dressing. Oh, but look at our wall. Oh, look at my bags. There's a laundry room back there. Y'all need to worry about all that laundry because unless you come to do it, sis, don't say nothing. Boom, boom. Yo, this took me out. This is like a real old school. It has a dial. Oh, y'all can't see. It has a dial to turn it on, like just to set the time. Look at it. And it works too, y'all. This is the original from 1979. I'm not a big fan of the black cabinets. I really want to switch them to white, but because I have small kids, it's probably best to keep it that way. Oh, also, this I could have came from the dining room this way, but I just decided not to. Okay. Over this way into the family room. I haven't done much decorating in here yet because I just can't decide. Oh wait, let me turn the lighting up in this place. But I have made it into my kids' playroom, and it is a damn pool in here. Do you hear me? I guess I can show y'all the backyard since I'm right here. But this is the sunroom. It's really cold in here because it is winter right now. So there's a gazebo. Well, this is a deck. Y'all, this is horrible. Zach, backyard. Ooh, it'd be hella deer back here. Y'all, I'm scared of deer, so I'm looking to build a fence, but y'all need to donate some money to my fence building fund. Yeah, this is the sunroom, aka my kids' filthy playroom, y'all. Remind me to make a little clean this up later before we do the decorating. So we're gonna go back in. And oh, this is a better angle as far as lighting goes for this room. Okay, so yeah. This is like the second little tree. This is Lola's tree. She gets to do whatever she wants to this one. Yeah, this bathroom is atrocious. Ew. Like, do we even need to venture in here? This is the first on my remodel list. Ew. Anyway, this is the new glam room. It's much more spacious than the last one. I got a ladder. I got boxes. I got things to do, honey. I did set up this little backdrop because I'm hoping to film like a sit down, talk through tutorial. Yeah. My little calendar for the month, which I have not added anything to. Besides, I'm going to California next weekend. This week is my husband's birthday, then I'm going to California. Then it's my cousin's Keela's birthday, then it's Christmas and it's New Year's. But y'all, let me flip this camera around. Trying to be an influencer It's hard. Let me just say that, because first let me turn towards the light. It's hard. So while I've been going through this depression thing, I haven't filmed any videos. As you guys know, I had to send back products, send back money, refund money. It was a lot. So I don't have anything on here, and it's probably gonna take a while before businesses trust me again to like do stuff, because I completely fell through. But mental health is important no matter what you're doing. I do work a 9 to 5. I got 3 kids, a whole husband. So I just had to take the time for my mental health. Anyway. Where's the light? Why, Lord? Okay, here's the closet. It's already a plumb fucking full with clothes. Y'all know I need to start my Poshmark because, man, oh, and TVs, because I'm hiding those for my kids for Christmas. But anybody want to come organize this for 50 cents? Holla.
Hey, Dad, what you watching?
No worries.
Cat.
Pete
the cat.
Just like me.
Did you used to party like a big boy?
Back in
You
two.
stood up like a grown
1,
man.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Daddy, how are you feeling this beautiful day?
Fine. How you feeling?
I'm cool. So where we're headed?
Back
Back where?
to where we came from.
A blue house.
A blue house? That was a green house.
No, that blue house.
Okay. I don't know.
Class, but she's gonna come out. And I love you, my mom's fan.
The hooks, I think Kaylee done put them on there. Are you excited to decorate this tree? Yeah. Is it going to be the best Christmas tree we ever did create?
Yeah.
Rest of all your kids did not come over until Christmas. They all wrestled.
Come right here so you can sing. In front of me, not in front of Kaylee. Chimney tonight.
Alexa,
I don't even have a chimney, do y'all?
Yeah, we do.
put on Kids Bob Kids.
Go. Go look in there. You didn't see
Alexa, put on Kids Bob Kids.
AJ, you have it.
We're listening to Santa music, not Kids Bob Kids. You killing the vibe.
Yeah.
Hey, you said forever, now I drive along past your street.
Hey, get your coat.
Stop, Kaylee!
Get your coat off the floor.
You're not gonna get the cinnamon rolls? Is that amazing? How about you go help Daddy with his? I put the lights down there. Lola, your daddy calling you.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Happy say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay, y'all thirsty for the camera. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Okay, anyway, I wanted to show y'all these cool ornaments, these black ornaments that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got so many little cute ones.
Hi.
Move! Here's another one.
We're outside.
So we had a debate about whether this one was black or brown or mixed. We have another little boy with a lamb. Look at that. We have a black Santa, of course.
We have this blue girl.
We have another angel. We have another angel up here. Yes. We have some more, but I don't feel like looking for them.
There's one
But
right
yeah,
here.
there's
one
still a
right
lot
here.
more.
There's baby.
Okay, there's a baby. There's still a lot more I want to do to this tree. It's too tall to put anything at the top, but I want to get like a little bow, add
Two
some
more
flowers.
angels.
But my baby has been begging to do something, so I let her. Oh, look. My baby wrote this when she was 3. Lola. That's my baby.
I wrote that when I was
Yeah. Is it giving or not? Now I gotta clean up all of this mess.
I actually.
Don't you better not erase it. I'm saving that for when you're 30.
30?
30.